First, let's assemble a plow tractor. Done! First, let's fuel the plow tractor. Keep up the good work. Let's prepare the soil for growing sunflowers. Tap on the screen to continue the work. Tap on the screen to make the machines continue to work. Now let's wash the plow tractor. You're doing really great. First, let's assemble a seeding machine. Keep up the good work. Now we need to fuel the seeding machine. Keep it up. Let's plant the sunflower seeds. We need to wash the seeding machine. That's all. We need to assemble a self-propelled sprayer. That's all. First, let's fuel the self-propelled sprayer. Done! Let's fertilize the soil for quick growth of sunflowers. And now let's wash the self-propelled sprayer. You're doing really great. We need to assemble a pickup truck. Don't stop. And now we need to fuel the pickup truck. Ready. Let's put up a scarecrow to keep the birds away. We need to wash the pickup truck. Hooray! First, let's assemble a pickup harvester. Ready. Let's fuel the pickup harvester. You're doing really great. The sunflowers are ripe. It's harvest time. Tap on the screen to continue the work. We need to wash the pickup harvester. You're doing really great. Let's assemble a grain truck. That's all. And now we need to fuel the grain truck. Keep up the good work. Let's prepare the seeds before pressing the sunflower oil. We need to wash the grain truck. Ready. First, let's assemble a market truck. Keep it up. First, let's fuel the market truck. Done! Let's bottle the sunflower oil. Tap on the screen to continue the work. Great! We've produced sunflower oil. We need to wash the market truck. Hooray!